Alright, here we are in the backyard. So first up, we'll do the Skyray. So we're at f30, well f3.5, shutter at 30, and ISO 1600. Skyray. Next up, we'll do the Gaberiel FG1189. So off with the Skyray, and here's the Gaberiel. This thing has, I think, three 18-650s. So this thing, relatively speaking, is not super bright, but it's zoomable, so it's not bad. The next one we have is the SuperFire. Now this thing is pretty beastie. SuperFire GTS9. Low, medium, high. I don't know if it has turbo mode. It's zoomable too. So this is wide. Max beam. So this is the GTS9. This thing is pretty damn bright. In fact, this thing is probably almost as bright as the Skyray by itself. Well, here's the Skyray. The Skyray is more focused, but if we focus it, same as the Skyray, let's see, it's about the same. Now for fun, we have the 1 kilometer beam. This is the, I forgot what light this is. It's a very focused beam. It's a 1 kilometer beam. Let me see. Alright, here we go. This is the Marauder Mini. Now this thing pumps out a lot of light. This is flood mode. So this is the dimmest, and we'll go for the brightest. Now this damn thing is bright. So this is flood mode, and then we'll go to spot mode. And this flood mode. Now you see this flood mode is pretty incessantly bright. So we'll compare that with the Skyray. Skyray. Marauder Mini. That's just Skyray. Marauder Mini. This is with the Skyray off. This is turbo mode on the Marauder Mini. Non-turbo. Off. Skyray. Marauder Mini. Yeah, this flood is way more powerful. So let's compare the Marauder Mini to the GTS9. So the GTS9 and Marauder are probably closer competition. Marauder off, GTS9. So I think the Marauder Mini wins this. And then you can switch to red, switch to green, switch to blue, back to it, turbo mode. It's bright as fuck. There you have it.